This is a compound cake from SFX show line Fireworks. A compound cake includes multiple fireworks that are designed to launch at the same time, giving you a much larger performance than is possible with just a single item. This is actually a professional technique that's been adapted to consumer fireworks. You'll notice this compound set has two 500-gram repeaters here in this tray, each with its own clearly marked fuse. For best results, you'll want to make sure that both of these fuses are lit at the same time, but you should never attempt to light more than one fuse back-to-back with a single lighter. That's because once that first fuse is lit, you really need to step back a safe distance to watch the performance, not hang around trying to light another fuse. So that said, how do you light these? We have two recommendations for lighting these safely and effectively. One option is to connect them with safety fuse. For this, you'll need some fuse, zip ties, and tape to help secure them. Or you can use one of these fuse connects. Simply place your safety fuse through the middle and lay the two product fuses inside, then close that up tightly. Now you can just light the one safety fuse to ignite both items. The other option we recommend is to use a firing system. Now I have an Ignite i18 and some clip-on igniters with me today, but if you have something else, that's okay too. For this, I'll clip the igniters directly onto the fuse for each one, then plug them into the module to fire at the same time in your show script. And that's it. Once these are connected, you're ready to enjoy the show with your compound cake from SFX show line Fireworks.